Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to configure Slack's keyboard layout, a crucial skill if you want to optimize your workflow and make your Slack experience even more efficient. The first step is to access the Slack preferences. Head up to your workspace name in the top left corner, click it, and select Preferences. We do this because it's the gateway to all the customizable features on Slack. Now that we're in Preferences, let's move to the Advanced tab. Here's where we can change the keyboard layout. The reason we do this is because some of us might be more comfortable with different keyboard layouts, depending on the devices we regularly use. Next up, look for the Input Options section and click on Customize Keyboard Shortcuts. This is where you can set custom keyboard combinations for your most used Slack commands. Let me explain why this matters. It's all about efficiency. By personalizing your keyboard shortcuts, you can slash the time you spend navigating Slack. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Slack saves these shortcuts to your account, so they'll be available on any device you log into. Pretty cool, right? Once you've customized your keyboard shortcuts, hit Save. This helps us because it locks in our customizations, ensuring we don't lose our preferences. And that's it, folks. You've just configured your Slack keyboard layout. Now you're all set to navigate Slack like a pro. Until next time, keep optimizing.